MEB is a leading solutions provider with extensive knowledge and a proven track record in the fields of oil and gas, water, power and energy. Let's have a look at the latest project in water, a life-giving source. In late 2018, the southern region of Mozambique found itself thrust into the brink of a water crisis after having experienced a prolonged drought of approximately 3 years. This directly impacted and lowered the water levels of the main reservoir and water source of the Mozambican capital. With time being of the essence, a leading governmental institute was tasked with finding the right partner to implement a quick solution for delivering 30,000 cubic meters of potable water to the city of Maputo per day. The task at hand was made more challenging by the need to treat river water in a remote area. MEB's innovative solution and track record, combined with our position to leverage global resources for rapid setup, delivery and deployment, made MEB the preferred choice. Working with our affiliated companies while leveraging our full suite of integration tools, including design strategy, we were able to deliver the project safely to the highest standards and in an extremely short delivery time. The flexible and self-contained system, including pump station and water treatment technology, were able to be mobilized at a competitive cost compared to long-term standard equipment packages. And although temporary, this lean system is robust enough compared to permanent systems, yielding greater efficiency and productivity with a smaller footprint and lower civil engineering cost. Being fully automated, the plant is ideal for remote locations due to remote monitoring technology with minimal maintenance. The resulting state-of-the-art water treatment plant delivers 30,000 cubic meters of potable water per day, making it a major contributor towards alleviating Maputo's water crisis and playing its overall part in mitigating Africa's water shortage. MEB, setting the bar for effective solutions and implementation of complex projects worldwide.